Alright, last example number 3, we have something a little bit different. We've got the 20, okay, magnitude 20, 30 degrees. We solved this the same way. Okay, so I already worked this one out on the board. And I also showed, which I didn't with the other ones, that we actually remember to multiply by 20. So 20 times the cosine of 30, that gave me 17.32i. And then sine of 30 equals j over 20. Okay, multiply both sides by 20. Now, if you remember, okay, we know if you have 30 degrees, this would be 60 degrees. So actually, you could have taken a shortcut because opposite of 30, remember we had a 1 to 2 ratio. Okay, this would actually be 20, 1 to 2. That would make j 10, which we see here. So you actually technically don't have to put that in your calculator. Okay, and then if this was 10, remember this was 1 to the square root of 3. So 10, this would be 10 square root of 3, which when you put that in your calculator, you get 17.32. Now the new part, we have 25 magnitude with 0 degrees. Okay, in this case, 0 degrees is just talking about this right here. Alright, so it's just this vector. So that means I'm not going up or down, I'm just going that way, or just going east. Alright, so it's just going to affect my I. Alright, so this would be here, in this case, it would be this would be 25 right there. Okay. Alright, and actually, as I'm looking at this, what they wanted was the result. Okay, so they want the result of this 25. So actually, they're asking that what do I need to add, what vector do I need to add to get this 25? Alright, so in this case, what we would need is, in order to add it, what vector would be to get 25, just 25 as the I, we would need to simply, we would want to get 0j, so I'm going to subtract 10j. Alright, because we want 0, and I want to get 25. Alright, so if we have 17.32, okay, what we're going to need to do is subtract 25 minus 17.32 to see what we would need to add this to get a result of 25. And when we do that, we get 7.68i. Alright, so this is the vector when I take this one and add it to this, I would get the result of 25. Now when I looked at this at first, I thought it was adding the two, but as I read it a little bit further, it was actually, they want it as a result. If you have problems on this one, I'll try to explain this one, keep this on the board, and clear it up tomorrow.